In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create unlimited Gmail accounts without using a phone number, and we'll be exploring two effective methods to achieve this. Let's start with the first method, which involves using Gmail aliases. This approach is fantastic when you need multiple distinct email addresses that all funnel into one primary inbox. It's particularly useful for organizing, signing up for services, or even for testing purposes. Now, when it comes to Gmail, there are a couple of tricks that are incredibly handy. First off, we have plus addressing. This means you can append a plus sign and a tag to your email address, like your name plus tag at gmail.com. Whatever you put after the plus sign is ignored by Gmail for delivery, but you can use it to create email filters. For instance, you might use your name plus shopping at gmail.com for online purchases, or your name plus client a at gmail.com for business correspondence. Another neat trick is that Gmail ignores dots in your email address. This means your .name at gmail.com is considered the same as your name at gmail.com. Utilizing this, you can present visually distinct email addresses whenever needed. So to get started with using aliases, you should first decide on your primary Gmail address, such as your name at gmail.com. When you're signing up for new services or sharing your email, use an alias, for example, your name plus projectx@gmail.com. This allows you to easily manage and organize your emails. Here's where filters come into play. To set up a filter, open Gmail and go to Settings. From there, select See All Settings, navigate to Filters and Blocked Addresses, and click Create New Filter. You'll want to enter your alias, like your name plus projectx@gmail.com, in the To field. After that, click Create Filter and decide how you want Gmail to handle emails sent to this address. You can apply labels, skip the inbox, and more. Additionally, to keep things even more organized, you might want to use Gmail's multiple inboxes feature. You'll find this under Settings, Inbox. You can add queries such as to your name plus projectx@gmail.com, allowing each alias to have its own dedicated pane in your inbox. Lastly, if you want to send emails from your alias, go to the From drop-down menu when composing an email. Here, you can add another email address by going to Settings, Accounts, and Import. Send mail as. This ensures your outgoing mail appears consistent with your alias, like your name plus alias at gmail.com. One of the great things about using Gmail aliases is that this method is entirely free and provides you with unlimited email addresses immediately. However, it's important to note that all aliases are tied to the same primary account, meaning there's no separate login for each alias. Nonetheless, this is a powerful way to keep your email communication streamlined and organized without the need for additional accounts.